Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm filming in a video because I'm fucking bored. Addie has gone to church, but I can't go to church because my mom and dad like sleeping in. So yeah. So we're going to play. Oh wait, I got it. Oh, yes, I'm Sheriff. I knew it. It was destiny that I should just be here. Beautiful bear. This old granny that goes so fast. I hope. Oh, please don't kill me, girl. Please don't kill me. Okay, it isn't her. It isn't her. But who is it? It isn't her. And who the frick is it? Gotta find some dead bodies, people. I don't want to be killed. Okay, I know it is. I hate my life. No. 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 Okay, guys, it's a new round. I'm new. How nice. I always have a suspicion on that girl. I don't know why. Freaking cold. Freaking winter. But I just got me some summer clothes. So that doesn't make any freaking sense. Like at all. Why do I keep dying? I hate life. Okay, so it's a new round. We're in the same map. And let's hope we don't die. And now, this time, we're not trusting anybody. And I just want to go hide on this at this point. I never go hide, but like, I'm starting to get. No, I don't trust this girl anymore. I don't trust her anymore. Oh, okay. Tell her on a roll. Okay, it's her. I told you I don't trust anybody. Okay, we're going. I'm not dead. I'm dead. I can tell you this, the longest ride in a little time. Skip. Wait, what? Okay, instead of skipping, I'm going to read how to get killed. I'm getting killed too fast, and this video is gonna be really short. Okay, she got slight, I think. I don't know. Let's just, wait, isn't it? Oh, no, she can't get that girl. Okay, I'm gonna bet when the round is actually. It's a new round again. Same map. Again. At this point, I'm gonna start raging. Because I've been sheriff. But what did that get? I died like the first 20 seconds. Wow. Everybody's standing in a use. Oh. Oh, okay. Mister, who was it? I don't know who to sit by, because there are like 2 dead people. Let me see. Oh, it was her. Oh, she's the 3rd in the server, I think. Okay, we're gonna perform a map, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so it's a new round. I'm the shrill wolf. Okay, I'm gonna sit here, please. Free knife. I'm sorry. Also don't have a lot of knives, you know. No, please, girl, don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm murdered. What? What? Oh, she be murdered. I probably shouldn't do that. She threw too late. Well, that was one. Okay, I'll see you guys now. Okay, that was like the longest time. And like the thing of Mansion 2 and House 2. The Mansion 2 is even a mansion, and where's number 1? Where's Mansion 1? And we gotta act like we saw nothing, people. We gotta act like we saw nothing at all. Nothing our tiny bodies can handle. Anyways, as I was saying, like, where's House 1 now? Where's House 2? Like, we have House 2, like, where's House 1? Frick, people. Boy, you ain't giving me that easy. Gotta get the sneak rooms. I don't know where to go. Okay, now I know where to go. Now I know where to go. Move it, guys. Move. Move, guys. Move. Forks. A lot of forks. A lot of forks these days. A lot of forks these days. Girl, move. Dora, move. Dora, you don't know in what situation you've been putting me right now. Okay. Okay. Dora, this is all your fault. Going for it, guys. We're going for it, people. We're going for it. It's all your fault, Dora. Okay, see you guys anyway. Hey, okay. We're not gonna die this time. Because we're gonna do it. This door is always locked. Why is it always locked? Honestly, this is a very risky place to be. And she's probably gonna kill me now. Or not. Okay. Girl, I don't trust you. Or I don't trust anybody. At this point, I think Dora's angry. Okay, no, it's not Dora. Oh, did I mention it was raining? Beautiful weather. Balloon. Okay, so we're gonna get these macaronis when we die. Like, someone is dead, I know it, but like, nobody's freaking knifing anybody. Still, I don't know what's going on. Where's the knifing people? The climax full soon, I'm bored. Y'all, I don't know. I'm gonna say, Murd, kill me! Murd, kill me! I'm just gonna stand here very sweetly. Let's see. Well, can't you kill me? Please, Murd. Somebody kill me. Oh, my heart. Freaking boring. Somebody once told me the world is never over. Somebody, please kill me. Please kill me. we're gonna put a few exclamation marks for the Lewis. What the frick just happened? Ay, ay, ay. So now everybody's insulting each other in the server. Beautiful. I'm a beautiful murderer. We're gonna kill this girl. We gotta kill this man. Oh, girl, I don't really know what to call them. Okay, wait. Oh, they're the sheriff. Oh my word. I don't even know my first. God, I swear I'm not a camper, but like, frick. I really want to eliminate some people. Like, so badly. I want to eliminate people. Okay, we're doing it, people. Okay, so you're like, girl, you have slight. I'm like, do I? Oh, what a surprise! And what the frick happened to Dora? She's like ruined now. Woohoo! We won for once. Jeez, people. What happens to poor Dora? Anyways, y'all, this ended off amazing. So I'm gonna end the video right here, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. It was super fun to make because I love Murder Mystery, my fave game. Bye, y'all.